Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the upcoming new Skoda Kushaq midsize SUV. Skoda India had already showcased the Vision India concept at the Delhi Auto Expo earlier last year. Skoda had also promised that the production version of this midsize SUV will be almost similar to the concept. Now Skoda India has released the official sketch images of the exterior and interior of this upcoming new midsize Kushaq SUV. Talking about the exterior, the design sketch of the Kushaq looks almost similar to the concept showcased at the Delhi Auto Expo. There is the wide signature butterfly grille at the front, flanked by the split headlamps on either side. The central air intake and the air dam are quite wide, and the Kushaq will get body cladding all around the car. The side profile of the Kushaq will remind you of the Skoda Karoq and is expected to be simple yet sharp, with a strong shoulder line, wheel arches with black cladding and the chrome finished window line. Almost all variants are also expected to receive functional roof rails, which add to this midsize SUV's appeal. The top spec variants of the Skoda Kushaq is expected to receive 17-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels, while the lower variants will get 16-inch ones. At the rear too, the Skoda Kushaq will carry forward all the design elements seen on the Vision India concept, including the split LED tail lamp setup, the beefy and tough-looking skid plates, and a sharp-looking rear spoiler. Similar to global Skoda models, the Kushaq will also feature the bold Skoda lettering at the center of the tailgate, just above the number plate housing. As of now, Skoda has also released the interior sketches of the Skoda Kushaq, and from these images, it is clear that even the interior of the Skoda Kushaq carries forward a lot of design elements from the Vision India concept showcased last year. The top-spec production version is expected to offer a large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system standing freely on the top of the center console. There is also the silver-finished character line running across the width of the dashboard, connecting the hexagonal-shaped AC vents on either side. Similar to the newly launched Skoda Superb facelift, the Skoda Kushaq top-spec variants will also offer the very same two-spoke multifunctional steering wheel, which will also include features like cruise control. The talking point, however, will be the virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster display, quite similar to that seen on the Skoda Karoq, which will be offered on the top-spec variants. From these sketches, it is also clear that some panels of the interior, including the dashboard and the door pads, will also be offered with the option of body color coding to add to the excitement and ambience of this cabin. Apart from the body color, the interior will feature a typical black and off-white interior color theme with top-quality materials. Other features expected to be offered on the Skoda Kushaq top-spec variants include automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, automatic climate control, a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable driver seat, rear AC vents, and a power tailgate. Expected safety features on the top-spec variant include 6 airbags and tire pressure monitoring system, while standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP with traction control and hill hold, along with all-wheel disc brakes. In terms of engine options, the Skoda Kushaq lower variants will be offered with a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged TSI petrol engine, carried forward from the Skoda Rapid, producing 110 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The higher variants will be offered with the 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine previously seen on the Skoda Karoq, which will be mated to a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The Skoda Kushaq is expected to be launched by the second half of April and will directly compete against the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and the Nissan Kicks. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this brand new Skoda Kushaq midsize SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.